How to change a 2013 Dodge Ram 3-button aka Fobik remote battery.
Alright, so we've got our remote, we've got our battery. If your key ring is attached to emergency key blade, it can stay on or off. You can leave it on. Let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. So we'll take the remote, release right here, emergency key, pull out emergency key, and you'll look here where the key blade goes in. There's a little slot indentation over here. Use that, pop it open, and when you do, slowly work your fingers around to get to open. Don't pull because you'll break it. Now you notice the battery on this one is located here on the circuit board. If yours does not, and yours looks like this, we'll just turn around and pop this one open. Don't worry, you've got them open. Same process. Go ahead, push the keypad up so the circuit board pops up. Take this out. Use your fingernail, slide in between the battery and the little holder right here. Battery comes out. Put your new battery in, positive side up. If you have the issue where you put a battery in and it still doesn't work, go ahead and check that battery. Now, with this style here, the easiest way to do this, put it in, put your circuit board, take your keypad, put it over, push it down on there so it seats properly. It should go down real nicely. Sometimes they don't. Push it in. Now that you got that done, go ahead, put it together. Work your way around with this. That's that style there. Okay, so you got that one done. This one here, just take your blade, put it under the key, lift up. Now you notice this little piece popped out right here. They lay in and they go in sideways. That's the big issue on these right here. Remember how the battery came out? You want to put the battery back in. Positive side on this bad boy is down. And you notice when you put it in, you need to get this lined up. Make sure it seats. You notice on the remote how it stayed down in there? That right there is going to make contact. Go ahead, fold it over, and push it together. All right, there you go. That's how you can change your remote batteries, both styles and all. Thanks again for watching. Hey, if you would, give me a thumbs up, like, share. I appreciate it. Have a good one.